In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an archive in OneNote. This process is essential for keeping your notebooks organized and preserving older notes for future reference. OneNote does not have a built-in archive feature. However, we can easily create a separate archive notebook or section to manage your notes effectively. Now let's get started. First, open OneNote on your Windows device. You'll see a familiar interface with your current notebooks displayed on the left. This is the starting point for our archiving process. It's important to ensure that you are in the right place before moving on. Opening OneNote sets the stage for all the actions you'll take next. You want to make sure you are ready to create that archive notebook. Next, click on the File menu at the top left corner. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various options related to your notebooks. Here you will see the New option. Selecting this is crucial because it initiates the process of creating a new notebook where you will store your archived notes. Once you click on New, you will be ready to create an organized space for those older notes. Now choose where to save your new notebook. You can select a location such as OneDrive, which allows for easy access across multiple devices. This choice is important because saving to OneDrive ensures your notes are backed up and accessible anywhere. After selecting the location, you will be prompted to enter a name for your notebook. A simple name such as Archive or Archive Notes works well to indicate its purpose clearly. Once you have chosen a name, click on Create Notebook. This action will generate your new archive notebook. You will see a confirmation message, and your new notebook will appear in the list of notebooks on the left side of your screen. This step is significant because it establishes the dedicated space for your archived materials. Next, we need to move the notes you want to archive into this newly created notebook. To start this process, right-click on the page or section you want to archive. A context menu will pop up, giving you various options. Selecting the right note to move is a crucial step as it determines what information you will be preserving. From the context menu, select Move or Copy. This option allows you to transfer your notes to the archive notebook you created earlier. It's important to choose Move if you want to relocate the notes completely. If you want to keep a copy in the original location, then Copy would be the better choice. After selecting Move or Copy, you will see a list of your notebooks. Choose your archive notebook from this list. This action is vital because it specifies where your notes will go. By moving them to the archive notebook, you are keeping your active notebooks uncluttered while ensuring your important notes are preserved. Finally, click Move. You will see your selected notes disappear from their original location and appear in the archive notebook. This step confirms that your notes are safely stored away. You can take a moment to check your archive notebook to ensure everything is in place. It's important to note that OneNote does not include a native archive button or automatic archiving feature. Archiving is done manually by moving notes to another notebook or section. Once you have completed the archiving process, you can close your archive notebook to reduce clutter. Rest assured, the notebook remains saved and accessible whenever you need it. If you sync notebooks with OneDrive, your archive notes will stay backed up and accessible from all your devices, ensuring you can retrieve them whenever necessary. Thank you for following along and enjoy organizing your OneNote experience.